Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. Now I'll show you how to prepare pants for a cuffed hem. Have the person try on the pants to the length that they want it and just pin it up. And then again we'll just lightly press just to crease a mark so that we'll know where that length is and we can remove our pins. And we'll turn the pants inside out. Okay. Turn it inside out. Now our cuff is going to be about 1.5 inches cuff. I'm removing all our pins and the edge is marked by the creasing. We want to, where's my gauge? Here it is. We want about 1.5 inches cuff. So we're going to pull the fabric, measure 1.5 inches. I'll mark it with a pin. Measure 1.5 inches here and mark it with a pin like that. About 3 on that side and then flip it over. About 3 on this side. About 1.5 inches from the bottom to there. And then slide the fold down to the pins. So now the pants are folded right to the edge of the pins, and they are 1.5 inches longer than you want them. Okay? Make sure all the material is flat and there's no bulkiness or folds there besides this one fold. And then press that. Press this a lot with steam so it has a nice crease. Press it, then remove the pins. Those are your marking pins. Remove those pins and then press it again just to make sure it's good. Okay. Now we'll be sewing this down here. I'm going to flip it back so that you can see how we'll fold up the cuff. So it's right side out. And now we're going to fold up 1.5 inch extra to make the cuff. And then we'll press that. So you can measure it again if you're not sure, and then press that cuff. And use a good steam iron to get a nice crisp pressing. And there's your cuff.